All right, we've talked about Assemble's project management tools. After that, we went over Assemble's asset management tools. Now let's talk about the third and final major pillar of Assemble, which is collaborative documents. Within Assemble, you can create cloud-based documents to collaborate with your team on creative and logistical documents of any kind. Just come up here and click Add and select Document from here. You're going to see a bunch of great templates. Definitely recommend checking those out. But let's go ahead and start with a blank document. Once you have a blank document, just click and Add to begin creating a document. So let's go ahead and just call this our project brief. And then you can start typing directly into the document. If we highlight some text, you're going to see all of your formatting options here, where you can change that text formatting however you'd like. And then go ahead and begin typing. I'll just paste in some text here. But this is the basics of building out a document. However, we have some other options. If we hover instead of typing, we can click Image and add an image. If I go ahead and click Add, I'm going to select a few images here and then go ahead and open. We can upload an individual image or you can upload an entire gallery. Now, as you can see here, this is going to give you a nice gallery view of all of those images. You can also expand this out if you want to add a little more style to it, or even click it to open it up into a full screen view. But let's go ahead and keep building. So maybe beneath that, we want to hover here and we want to add a table. So tables are fully customizable and come with a lot of great features to enable you to build them out for any sorts of needs. But let's say we're building a shot list. You can come in here and begin to add or delete columns and rows, however you need. And then if we click this, we have a few different column types. We have text, which is self-explanatory, things like checkbox. Maybe we want to add a completed checkbox. And as you can see, we can begin editing this however we want. Additionally, a few other column types we're going to have are the ability to add statuses, which are great if you want to add custom tags to these, which can be fully customized, as well as you can add images directly into the tables as well. So maybe you want to add some sort of reference frames, maybe storyboard frames, anything that you want in terms of images that need to be added into those tables. So now we've learned a little bit about the modularity and customization of these tables. Let's go ahead and add some branding. So if I hover up here at the top, I can click Add Cover Image, and we can either choose a custom color from our presets, or you can go ahead and just browse and upload an entire image. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's pick an image here. And that's now going to be added to the top of our document as a cover image. Lastly, at the top, we also have what's called widgets. Widgets are dynamic data that you can pull to the top of your app. Things like text callouts, maps, or weather can be added up here for a variety of different needs. Let's just go ahead and open up a map here. Let's go ahead and add a random address in, go ahead and click Save. And we can now see this dynamic map has been added where if users click it, it's going to take them to Google Maps and give them directions to this location. As you saw before, you can also add weather with dynamic weather for any date in the future, which are great for all sorts of different needs. So hopefully this has given you a good idea on how to start building out your documents. As mentioned before, when you're creating documents, go ahead and check out our entire library of templates. You can build out any sorts of documents in here, contracts, storyboards, call sheets, number of different things. So feel free to start exploring there. In lesson 5, we're going to discuss how to share these documents out to external users for collaboration or as a presentation.